Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
How you doing today? So we're always trying to get good advertising for everybody. What I have here is a Patterson Coane pure rye whiskey tin over cardboard chromiolithograph advertising sign. This stuff is getting harder and harder to get these. This is probably turn of the century. I think that this was started around the 1800s. I picked this up recently. It's in really good shape for being probably 120 years old. Once again, a couple little wrinkles here, but for its age, in really very nice condition. As you see about the size of it, here's the back of it, which as well as I put another little hanger here because this has been kind of wallered out. So now you can hang it very nicely. But once again, it talks about the instructions on how to keep the sign clean and where to hang it. Just a great one. Friends for 70 years. It's a great little photograph. Nice pictorial. An older gentleman and his wife have a little shot of whiskey reading a newspaper. Just a great piece of early rye whiskey advertising. Anyway, getting harder to get. Great piece. Going to look good in your collection. So if it's for you, grab it.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.